wig surprised the hell out of me. Love how natural looking the lace looks and how it just, it just blended and melted right on into my skin like it's my hair. this wig surprised the hell out of me. Anyways, we're gonna get into it, child. Let's talk about it, child, because y'all listen, y'all know when I'm feeling a wig, okay? Y'all know when I am feeling myself and when I'm feeling my wigs, okay? And this is definitely a moment. So y'all know the drill. Let me run down the quick details on this wig real quick before we actually get into the tea on this wig. So again, this wig is from Premium Lace Wig. This is a 24. Girl, this is a 24. Wait a minute. Okay, y'all know, like, the girl ain't been feeling long hair lately, so I'm so okay. We're gonna keep getting into it though. Okay, so the length is 24 inches. This is a body wave texture and the density is 130%. And this is a 13x6 HD lace closure wig. The color, which is a 1B with a highlight 30, and I love it. Oh, I love it. This is my color. This is nice and it's so appropriate for fall, y'all. Oh man, listen, these color wigs that I've been reviewing lately, girl, if I do not wear these this fall, I'm gonna act up on myself. This is so pretty. I have to go to a let me make sure I got it. I gotta go to a pool party, but girl, this is the look and this is how I'm pulling up, okay? Because the brown on this is just a really nice, subtle brown golden highlights, just really nice. And like, as you guys can see, the highlight is actually on top of the hair instead of being like in the hair. So I actually like that they nailed the highlight technique, which is highlighting strands of hair. Okay, I'm gonna change this camera out because I really don't like how it keeps me blurred, and I really got a better camera upstairs, and I don't know why I'm not bringing it down here because this Canon camera I'm literally about to throw out my window. So yeah, the texture of this wig was a body wave. As you guys saw, I did go ahead and straighten the hair, and which I'm glad I did, because with this being 24 inches, and honestly I didn't even realize it was that long, but me straightening the hair, I just love the texture of this. Now I do wish that the density was thicker. They say the density is 130%. But I do like how flat it is. Yes, I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love how natural looking the lace looks and how it just, it just blended and melted right on into my skin like it's my hair. That's what we need when it comes to a lace wig. We need our wigs to look like our hair. It would be the perfect wig for me personally if the texture was just a little bit more thicker, maybe the 150 to 180. But nevertheless though, it is a very nice, beautiful, flowy, natural looking wig, and it's going to give you a vibe for sure. I did have to go in and bleach the knots twice on this wig because the knots were a little dark, which was a drawback for me because I don't have the time to be bleaching my knots twice. And it could be possibly I just didn't leave the bleach on long enough. Normally I do bleach from 15 to 18 minutes because I don't want to over process the hair and I don't want my lace to be real brassy and orange. So that could have been just my fault, but I'm just saying, you know, if it was just pre-bleached, I wouldn't even have to do all that. I'm just saying. So nevertheless though, this wig is beautiful, and because it's so beautiful and I love it, I'm going to also have a coupon code below for you to use if you decide to purchase this wig. I gotta go. I get carried away on this camera, y'all. I really do. Okay, so anyways, I gotta get ready to go. I gotta clean up all this mess right here in the studio real quick before I get ready to go, because I just hate walking back downstairs to all of this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys can pick up this wig, child, because if you looking for a fall wig, girl, you better not look no more, because this is gonna give you what you need. I'm just here to tell you.